Hello everyone, today I'm here to make the part 2 of my video about shortcuts. This video was not only my first video, but quickly became one of the most popular on the channel. If you haven't seen this video, I'll leave it in the description, along with the maps of each shortcut in order. Enjoy! If you have jump or speed potion you can do this shortcut. Some of the shortcuts that I'm going to show in this video require you to know dance clip. Stay until the end of the video that I'm going to teach you how to do it. The fastest way to pass the big freezer map. You can use the spear to press button and get the ice potion in the freezer map, without help from other people. If you want to turn off the raining tacos as fast as possible, this is the best method. So you can stay off while you wait for the weapons to be released. You can use the tab glitch to survive the train. If you want to know how to make this glitch and more ways to use it, watch the video I left in the description. I had already said in my last video about shortcuts that it was possible to do this shortcut being Smilling, but I later discovered that it is also possible to do it being human. It's just a little more difficult. Now, how to make a dance clip. First put the camera like me, then type /e-dance2. When dance animation stops, activate Shift-Alt. Thanks for watching.